Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, Y'all already know what it do, man. We out here at our first stop right now, man. Our first appointment. We doing this Cadillac Escalade. Probably been a year or probably 8 months since we done this car. Right now we're working on the interior, but we already worked on this side. We got this complete. We got this whole side completely vacuumed and wiped down. That's actually damage on the seat, so there's nothing I can actually do about that. That's actually paint unless you wanted to paint it, but you can see the carpet looked like it actually got hit a little bit. Actually had to wipe down the runner boards, doors, really had stuff. There was so much dog hair, there was dog hair caked up in there. We actually got the back done. You see we actually got the brush. If you look at the seat's a little bit dirty. Do need to hit these seats a little bit more, but if you see, there go a lot of the dog hair right there. So that's one thing about this car. It got dog hair, like it had dog hair all right there. But I'm finna go ahead and continue doing what I'm doing, man. Like I said, we got I think 3 or 4 more cars after this appointment. So the next appointment literally probably about 20 to 25 minutes exactly where we at. So we're gonna have to hop out on the E-way and head there. But like I said, we about to start on this side. So we got the vacuum out, things like that. You see the seats, how dirty these seats is on this side. Definitely is dirty. Definitely need a good wiping. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here in Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And I always try to tell y'all, man, take pride in whatever you're doing, man. You know, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. You see how it got dirt right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that clean, things like that. I got this little wire brush right here. It comes in handy. You see where here to go, you know, it'll go in here for like all little good stuff like that. So great tool. I don't know where I found it at, but it's something I found. But it's a great tool to have. But you see it right here. So you see what I'm saying? I love this really brush. Because even if you don't have that much hair, you see that it's still removing whatever little hair that's right there that you may not see. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing this job, man. Continue doing this interior of this car so we can get to our next point. It's already like 11 o'clock. We had a late start because of the cold. You know, last night it dropped down to like 27, 24 degrees. So it'll drop down that cold again. So we gotta make sure we wipe. Excuse me, gotta make sure that we cover up the equipment and things like that. But I'm about to go ahead and start on the next stop, man. Y'all already know, man. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. And on that note, I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail world, y'all already know what to do, man. We finally got this Cadillac Escalade completely done. Whole exterior, interior. It took a little bit of time to do here. We got about 10, 15, 10, 20. It's probably 12:30 right now, but we need to head to our next stop. We're running a little bit behind, but y'all already know, man, with the weather the way it is. You see it's nice and cloudy out here, sun shining between the trees. But give y'all a quick glimpse of what the car looked like. Like I said, it was a little dirty. Y'all remember all the dog hair and things like that. But we got the car looking immaculate. So we about to go ahead and let them know we done, get paid, head to the next stop. And like always, man, y'all already know, man, just take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Be consistent, be persistent, be relentless. You know, on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We'd finished this third car, second car today, man. It's this Lexus GX 450. We already got the car completely knocked out. Definitely got the seats looking good, vacuumed, had a little dog hair in here, things like that. But we got the car looking immaculate. He's definitely gonna be super enthused with the work. So we're about to go ahead and let them know we done, get paid. Y'all already know. But we got this Lexus done. We still got one more car to do here, and we're gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We finished this last car today, which is this Audi S-Type. I think it's a Q8. Yeah, it's a Q8. But we got the car looking good. Had a little dog hair in here, so it took us a little bit more time to do it. But y'all already know we take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So like I always tell y'all take pride in whatever y'all doing. It's nothing. It's not even a job. It's just you doing whatever you like. But we finished. Like I said, we knocked out 2 cars here. I'm about to let them know we done. I still got to put the mats in the car because they had to dry off. You know, with it being wintertime, it takes stuff a little bit longer to dry. Even with wiping the car off, with it being so cold, it take a little extra time to wipe the car off. And if you look, I'm not sure where he parked his car at, but you can see he parked his car into somewhere that got water spots. So definitely need a good waxing when you look at it like that. But we got the car completely done. Finna head home, which is a about 25-30 minute drive. But like always, man, we take pride in what we do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.
Cause I was on YouTube watching TY38.